Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. Today I'm going to make one recipe, a nasta type. So I will show you what I'm going to make. This you can see, this is the sprouted moong. How nice it's looking. Today I'm going to fry this. I will use some onions, garlic pods and green chilies. So come on, let us start the recipe. Friends, I will use mustard oil. First I will let the oil turn hot. Friends, the oil is turned hot. First of all I will put the chopped garlic. Put in the onions and the green chili. Let the onion turn brown. Friends, the onion is turned brown, you can see, golden brown. Now I will put in the sprouted moong. I will put some salt to taste. Put some saffron, turmeric powder. I will let this fry nicely. Friends, you can see the sprouted moong is frying so nicely. Now last of all I will put some jeera powder. This will give it a nice taste while eating. Little bit I will put, just little bit. Now the sprouted moong is ready. Now I will serve it in one plate. This is a healthy nashta. I hope you all will like it. Friends, like this you can make and eat for nashta. It is a very healthy nashta. Thanks for watching my video.